Do you want to undo a repost on TikTok? You can unrepost on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To undo a repost on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your TikTok profile page. From here, select the Repost tab icon. A list of your reposted videos will appear here. Now, open the video that you want to undo and remove the repost for. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. From the menu options, tap on Remove Repost. Once tapped, TikTok will immediately remove your repost video from your section and your friend's newsfeed.